Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ocean here, and today we're not playing any games. Today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS Studio display capture black screen. When I start using OBS Studio, this display capture is really a pain when it happens to be black screen. I try to Google, try to search online, just trying to find a way to fix this problem. And it took me over a month after downloading OBS just to figure out how to use display capture. And today I'm going to show you a few easy simple steps how to fix the black screen issue. Let's get started. So, first of all, if OBS Studio is on, then the display capture is black screen like over here. So you see it's stretched to the full screen, but there's nothing, it's just black. Don't worry, just close OBS Studio if it's open. If not, perfect. And then you're gonna right click anywhere on the screen and go to display setting. It might take a few minutes for me to turn it on just because I don't have such a powerful device, but it's fine. And then once display settings open, scroll down, go to graphics settings. Click on that, and you might not see the three little things over here. Don't worry, just go to make sure it's like the classic app. Go to browse, and then you have to go to the file where you download your OBS Studio. And then you go to OBS Studio, Bang, 64-bit or whatever the bit you downloaded, and then select OBS, whatever the bit you download, .exe, click Add, and since I already have this app added, it will show this thing, but that's fine. Once you see OBS Studio, left click, go to Option, and then if you haven't changed anything, the graphics prefer it should be set into system default. That's not what you want. You want to switch to power saving for display capture. Alright, click save, close it, and then you have to go to NVIDIA control panel. So Windows search, oh, there it is. Open it up. Let's give it a few minutes so it could open. I'm pretty sure for a lot of you guys could open this way faster than my laptop over here. I believe, indeed, it will be so much faster than my laptop. Alright, here it is. NVIDIA control panel. It's still going to need a few seconds. Alright, once it opens, make sure you're in Manage 3D settings and go to Program settings. And then once you're in program setting, you might not see OBS Studio over here. That's fine. Just go to Add and find OBS Studio, select it, Add selected program. And then you have to go to option 2, which is select the preferred graphics processor for this program. Click that down, select integrated graphics, not the high performance. Integrated graphics. This is for display capture. That's selected. Click apply, and then just let the computer or the laptop do its thing. Save this. Apply the settings. You just choose. And oh, by the way, I'm not using OBS Studio to record this. I'm using some other software because the display capture is black screen. And then let's close it. Now, once you go back to OBS Studio, you know what? Do you think you will see a black screen in the display capture? Well, we will see. Again. Aha! Here it is. OBS Studio display capture working perfectly. You can see the screen I'm currently on. There's a lot of windows that you might be dizzy once you stare at for quite a lot, but that's how you fix display capture. And by the way, one thing I noticed for OBS Studio, once you are using display capture, game capture will not work. It will show a black screen for game capture. Once you're using game capture, display capture will be a black screen. That's just the graphics card you choose to use. Well, today I'm only going to talk about display capture and hope this will help you guys. Really just help you guys to save the time that you don't have to search online trying to figure out how to fix a black screen issue. You could just watch my video, easy few steps and you can fix the display capture black screen in OBS Studio. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash like button so I know so I can make similar video in the future. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. If you are, make sure you turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Because sometimes I'm not only upload gaming video, but video like this will really help you fix something really easy. And I hope you enjoy this. I will see you in the next one. Bye.